Okay, if this works, I'll post it. If it doesn't work, so not posting this. So, I get a little impatient sometimes and I get tired of waiting for people. So, I've measured like 4 times. Pretty sure I got it right. I'm going to go ahead and try. So, yeah, here we go. Just double checking my line. All right. Looks pretty good. I was going to use the circular saw, but I have like really no experience with that. So I figured the jigsaw would be a little safer. So I'm not sure how good a one this is. But again, I get impatient. So here we go. Best I can come up with safety glasses for right now. I had a pair, I don't know where they went, but better than nothing. Gloves. I'm nervous. Okay, so far so good. We'll run around to the other side. Ooh. That was cool. I don't know if you can see it all, but suddenly very, very proud of myself. So this one is going on my Facebook page and on my YouTube channel, which is Paula Pepper's Perfectly Imperfect Projects. Yeah, I'm still working on it. Thanks again, all. See you later.